Hello, my wonder kids of class 6. Welcome back to our e-learning class. Now, in our previous class, we have just come to know about the two different kinds of gender. One is masculine, another one is feminine. But before we come to that part of neuter gender and common gender, we have to just discuss the answers of exercise number E of page number 13 and exercise number A of the same page, as I have said you that you must complete the work and we will discuss the answers. So exercise number E, fill in the blanks with abstract nouns made from the words given in brackets. We were attracted by the beauty of the mountains. Ram extended a hand of friendship towards his new classmate. Jane received punishment for not finishing her homework. Modern invention have made life easy. Our happiness knew no bounds when India won the match. All bitterness was lost between the two neighbors. His absence at the school party made his friends sad. Geeta's shyness held her back from participating in the debate. Now I'm just repeating the answers once more. Only the answer words I will say. Beauty, first one. Second one, friendship. Third, punishment. Fourth, invention. Fifth, happiness. Sixth, bitterness. Seventh, absence. Eighth, shyness. Next, exercise number 8. Now I have written something on the board. Before my class gets over, I will move aside. At that time you can check it properly. Nothing it is, just a simple thing which you have to remember, that we use little for quantity. That means for uncountable nouns, and we use few for number. That means for countable nouns. And here a few or a little, it is used for denoting some, and few or little, it is used for denoting almost none. So let's see. Tick the correct words to complete the sentences. People attended the function. Here we can use a few people attended the function. Number 2. She brought many books and distributed them among the children. After much hard work, India has won the cricket match. Number 4. A little sugar should be added to the cake. Just a little effort is needed to get good grades in class. Too many cooks spoil the broth. The charity event was organized by many eminent personalities. Meaning of eminent, you can write famous or respected person. The play was appreciated by many people. So you must remember that little is used for quantity and few is used for number. Now little, only the word little or only the word few, they are used for denoting almost none, and a few or a little, they are used to denote or indicate that some are there. Okay children, now the common gender. What do we mean by common gender? Just come to page number 16. Common and neuter gender. Common gender refers to either a male or a female. Words denoting common gender are, you can see, baby, footballer, anchor, friend, child, companion, all these. We often refer to a pet animal and a domestic animal like a cat or a dog as he or she. Words like actress, poetess, authoress are not used these days. You underline this sentence, it is quite important. We use words like actor, poet, author as common gender. Neuter gender refers to non-living things that are neither male nor female. But I think another definition I can give of this neuter gender, that neuter gender is actually used for the nouns which cannot be identified as male or female. Neuter gender is used for the nouns which cannot be identified as male or female. Now it's not true that every time we are using neuter gender for non-living things. Like here you can find example is given egg. Now we all know that inside an egg a life is there. Many a times you can also find that neuter gender is used for tree. Now tree is not a non-living thing. Tree is a living thing. Similarly, inside an egg we can find that a life is present. So examples are given like break, chair, desk, egg, taxi, quilt, school umbrella, kite, hen, ink. Now collective nouns such as army, flock, crew denote collections of living beings. A class is a collection of students and students are living beings. Army is a collection of soldiers and soldiers are living beings too. But collective nouns are classified as neuter gender, like class, army, battalion, choir, orchestra. Now children, you will complete exercise number this one E and F, and we will discuss the answers starting from exercise number A till exercise number F in our next video. Okay children, before my video gets over, I'm moving aside. You check what I have written. So you can find that little, it is used for quantity. Few, it is used for number. Little means almost none. A little means some. Few means almost none. A few means some. Okay children, bye.